Hey guys, Cell Phone Doctor here. Today I got a video to show you. We got these things called cable bites. We sell them for $4.99. They're really good actually. What you do, it's your little figure here. I got a little whale. Pretty cute little thing. What you do with these cable bites is you get your charger. Apple only. Not for Samsung or any other devices, only Apple. Got my Apple charger here, and I have this little figure, right? He's got a little cut right down the bottom of his belly over here, and what I do is I got to spread it open a little bit and fit this charger in there as best I can. Right, it's in there, and then you just keep pushing it until it's not there, so you can't see it anymore. What it does is you push this in, and when you go to plug up your phone, it'll fit and it'll look like your little figure is eating your phone. Alright, they come in different animals, little figures. They have dogs, cats, turtles, bears. It's really nice. The purpose for this is so that you don't yank on your cable, you don't pull on the little white thing, you just pull on this little animal and your charger comes out. It's so that your Apple charger doesn't mess up as fast as it does. We've noticed a lot of our customers come in and this whole thing is all messed up, it's all jacked up right here, and the electricity can just flow out through here. So it can cause your charger not to work properly, or you can get shocked by touching it. Even though that it does have like a foil inside, you're probably not going to get shocked, but it can lead to that because it's all electricity. So we prefer our customers not to damage the cables, because going through all these cables can get pretty expensive. So we have these cable bites that you can get, and like I said, you just plug it in to your device, and you always yank on these guys. You just pull on them, so it's not hard to pull, and it's pretty nice and snug. So you have something to pull on instead, like I said, of the cable. But we have them for $4.99 if you want to get one. We have them on sale. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.